Greetings everyone, my name is Eldad Amara. Today I'm talking about microwave ovens. Do you have a microwave oven at home? Do you use them quite frequently? Or do you cook by natural heat? Right, do you know microwaves is a form of electromagnetic radio wave which passes through things. It can pass through walls and through clothing and through our bodies. So when you put a piece of meat into a microwave and turn that microwave on, the molecules in the food are vibrating and shaking at speed. These molecules are jumping around and they're cooking the food through frequency and vibration. It's also a form of sound. Now microwaves cook food inside out, not as nature intended, like by natural fire. It cooks things from outside in. But as I say, with microwaves we'll cook food from the inside outwardly by cooking food through friction and vibration, speeding up those food molecules. Now certain illnesses have been found to have been developed through using these microwaves, such as certain cancers, bowel cancer, prostate cancer. It's even been linked to things like Alzheimer's. Also people's cells in their bodies sticking together so that things cannot pass through their cells naturally. Have you ever really thought about that? Have you really thought about the dangers of using a microwave? It is not a natural way of cooking things. It is, again, man-made and not as nature intended. Another thing about microwaves is that they also destroy food. That is, the minerals and the vitamins within food. Microwaves actually destroy those things, so you're not getting any minerals or vitamins from your food, because the microwave is actually heating up those molecules so that all the minerals and the vitamins are being destroyed. So you're literally eating food with no value in it. Now I want you to watch this short video which talks about microwave ovens and their dangers. Watch this video.